Hello, welcome to Hairtune. Take a section of hair, divide this section into two, place the elastic in the middle of the hair, cross the hair over the elastic and then knot the elastic. Take a second section, same as before, divide the section into two, place the hair from the first section and the elastic from the first section inside. Place the elastic in the middle, cross the hair over the elastic and then close it, making a knot. Keep doing the same technique. Split the hair into two, place elastic and hair from the previous section in the middle. Put the elastic on the top, cross over the hair and then knot hair and elastic. Usually we prefer to do two knots so it's more secure. Split the hair into two, place the previous hair with the elastic. Make sure that the hair, when you place in the middle, is quite flat so it doesn't create too much volume. Cross over the hair and make two knots with the elastic. Make sure to place your finger on top of the elastic on your first knot so the pressure stays on. Keep using the same technique. Split the hair into two, put the elastic in the middle, cross the hair over the elastic and the hair from the previous section, hold the elastic down and make two knots to secure it. to add the variation to the hairstyle, pull the elastic out to change the design. Thank you guys for watching Hairtune. I hope you enjoyed this technique.